Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So in this video, I'm just going to show how to stop this bracket or symbol changing to a symbol. So actually we need a bracket, close bracket and all between the brackets. So it's automatically changed. For an example, I'm just going to make an open bracket and type all and close bracket. It automatically changes to a symbol. So how to avoid this mistake or this error on your Google Docs? It doesn't an error, it's a method of being a shortcut for the trademark shortcut for this symbol. So you just need to go to the tools option here, then click on the preference. Then you can see two options called gender and substitution, and you just need to click on the substitution. So here there is a lot of option that replace and with. So you can turn automatically substitution can be turned off. It will be turned off for all, or you can turn it for a particular option. For example, I just turned off for the copyright symbol. You can also turn it off for this and click OK. Now you just type the same thing, bracket all and close bracket. So you can see there is nothing happen. It doesn't changes to a symbol like this. So this is a simple method, and you can also make any shortcut that you want on this preference option on the substitution. You can make a new shortcut by clicking here, typing here. For example, you can type as O. So it will replace as at. Okay. So I click OK. Now I just going to type as OO. You can see the magic happen. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is useful, just like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.